Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark, and today I am up at Lake Winnipesaukee in New Hampshire, and I'm in front of beautiful Bear Island. So I've had a few people actually comment and ask what the T.D.E buttons are on the WaveRunner, so I'm going to quickly go over them and show how they work. Okay, I hope you can hear me okay when I start the engine, because it sometimes is a little loud. But basically, these are the T.D.E buttons here, and I'll look up what they stand for because at this time I honestly don't know. But basically what it does is it allows the ski to move forward at a very slow speed or in reverse at a very slow speed. This is great for putting it on the trailer, things like that. So it has to be running. So I just started it. And you have to be in neutral, so it won't work if you're in neutral or going fast. So what you do is you just literally just push this button right here up and hold it, and that's it, and it pops into T.D.E forward. Now it's honestly hard to tell I'm moving, but if you look at the shoreline, I am barely moving. Not even fast enough to register on the speedometer. But if you look at the waves going by, they are barely going by. So that's T.D.E forward. Now, to take it out, I think you can just flip the throttle over here, and it takes it out. But that puts you in forward. So I'm cutting into my video here because Matt just told me that when you're in, say, T.D.E forward, all you have to do to disengage it is hit the button in the opposite direction and it shuts off. So if you're in reverse, just hit the button forward and it's disengaged. Thanks for that tip, Matt. Before I stop the recording, I want to show one more thing here. So obviously when you're in forward, if you turn the handlebars to the left, you're going to turn to the left. And if you're going to want to go right, you turn the handlebars to the right and you'll go right. When you pull it in neutral, you stop. And it will actually turn, so if I put the handlebars to the left, it kind of does circles to the left. And if I go to the right, it'll kind of start to do circles to the right. But this is what's really cool. If you put on reverse by pulling this lever here, whatever direction you point your steering, your handlebars, it's not really a wheel, that's the direction you're gonna go. So if I bring it to the left, I'm gonna still turn to the left. I'm just gonna keep doing these circles here. If I wanna go to the right, I straighten it and I turn it to the right. And that's really handy because, I don't know if I can do it while I'm driving and holding the camera here, but when you're going forward like this, so forward you don't have to hold the button down. If you're going forward and then all of a sudden it's like, whoa, 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 I want to back up, but I don't want to turn the other direction, you just simply put it in reverse and you'll keep going the same direction. So that's T.D.E mode and the way I almost called it the steering wheel again, the handlebar works. So if you have any questions about that, please leave a message in the comments and I'll try to answer as best I can. Thanks so much and have a great day.